Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Okay, now as you know, we are doing the second poem in English, right? And we are doing the grammar part right now. And in my previous video, I had explained you about the nouns, that is common nouns and proper nouns. And I also showed you some slides related to it. And then I also showed you some activities related to common noun and proper noun. So today also I will be continuing with the common nouns and proper nouns so that you get a clear idea, okay, so that you understand more clearly of what is common nouns and proper nouns. And after I complete, I will be giving you a worksheet also as an activity to be done, so that you can do it on your own. When you do it on your own, you will understand better, right? So let's continue seeing the slides of the common nouns and proper nouns. Okay students, now as you can see, we are seeing the ninth part of poem. To ninth part means this is the ninth video. Okay students, now let's see the slides and continue with the nouns. Okay, now first of all, see, this is an activity, right? Now see, there are two boxes given on top. You have to just choose the correct answer. See, proper nouns are special action words or naming words. Naming word means, I had explained to you, they are naming words means they are the names of people. Naming words means names. So proper nouns are special action words or naming words. Action means, verbs. Action, of course, it is not an action. So what are proper nouns? They are naming words. And you know what is names? Names means special names. Okay, naming words means names. Naming words means names. So proper nouns are special naming words. They are not action words. And number two is proper nouns begin with a capital letter or lowercase letter. Now I explained to you yesterday that in a previous video that proper nouns all are names. Okay, they all are names of people, person, place, animals, things. Okay, they are the names, they are the special names. So they all begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. So the answer is capital letter. Understood? Now see what you have to do in this. This is also an activity. You have to underline the proper nouns. Proper nouns means all the names of all the people, place, animal, things, whatever. You have to underline them. Can you see? Okay, now we will just do the first sentence. Ram uses Vim liquid to wash the dishes. Okay, now which are the names given in the sentences? Okay, very good. The first one is Ram. Ram is whose name? Ram is a name of a boy. Okay. Now, and it is beginning with a capital letter also. Now, there is one more proper noun in this sentence. Can you tell it? Can you tell which one it is? Yes, students. Very good. The second one is Vim. You know what is Vim? It is a name of a liquid to wash the dishes. Yes. So, Vim is a name. It is a special name, right? Vim is a special name given to the liquid. So Vim and Ram are the proper nouns. Now see number two. My favorite restaurant is Big Wong. So in this, which is a proper noun? Yes, the name of the restaurant is given. Can you see the name of the restaurant is given? Big Wong. And it is also starting with capital letter. So Big Wong is the proper noun because it is a name of the restaurant. It is a special name. So it is a proper noun. Now see third one. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Now this is very easy. You all will know it. Yes. New Delhi is a proper noun because it is a name of a yes, it is a name of a city. And India is the name of a country. Can you see? So New Delhi and India, they both are names of places. New Delhi is a city and India is a country, and they both begin with capital letters also. So these both They begin with a capital and they are names. They are special names of places. So they are proper nouns. Now the last one. My dog's name is Murphy. So of course the proper noun is Murphy. Now you know, whenever a name is given to animal also, that is also proper noun. Like Tommy is the name of a dog. So Tommy is a proper noun. Then Pussy is the name of a cat. So Pussy is a proper noun. Then whatever names are given to animals. Now what is that? Mittu. Mittu is a name given to parrot. So Mittu will be also proper noun. So even animals or birds names are also proper nouns. Okay, because they are also special names given, right? So this was the activity regarding the proper nouns. Okay students, now we will see the next slide. Now you will understand better. As you do the activities, as you see the slides, you will get a clear idea. Now what is this? Underline the common nouns, and now this is mix. Common nouns means, I told you, all the places, person, things, animal, bird. Means common nouns means, you know what? Names are not given to them. I gave you a clue, yes or no, yesterday, that common nouns means all the things in what names are not there. Means names are not given to them. And proper noun means when special names are given to all the things, then it is called proper nouns. Okay. So now you know what you have to do. You have to underline the common nouns and you have to circle the proper nouns in all these sentences. So first, you know what I will do? I will underline the common nouns. Okay. First I will show you the common nouns and then we will do the proper nouns. Now see the first sentence. Harry Potter is a wizard. Okay. See the first sentence. Harry Potter is a wizard. Now what is a common noun in this? Yes, of course, wizard. Very good. Harry Potter. Okay, we will do the proper nouns. Harry Potter is a proper noun. You know why Harry Potter is a proper noun? Because it is a name of a boy. You all know Harry Potter, right? You had watched the movie Harry Potter. So you all know Harry Potter. So Harry Potter is a name of a boy and it is starting with capital letter. So it is a proper noun. Okay. We will do the proper nouns first. Now the second one, see, the famous Taj Mahal is in Agra. So Taj Mahal and Agra. You know why Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is a name given to a monument. You all know Taj Mahal. It is a famous monument. Monument means a building. A famous building is called a monument. And Agra, you all know. Agra is a name of a city. So Taj Mahal is also a special name. Agra is also a special name. And they both are starting with capital letters. So they are proper nouns. Now third one, I love my country, India. Can you tell me which is a proper noun in this? Very good. Everybody knows this. India. India is a proper noun because it is a special name of a country. Now see number 4. I was born in the month of June. Now, can you tell me which is a proper noun in this? You can easily make out the proper noun because they always begin with capital letters. Yes, very good. The proper noun is June because June is a name of month. Okay, so all the names of months, then all the names of days, all the names of festivals, seasons, all these names are proper nouns. So June is a special name of a month. We will visit Kidzania on Sunday. So see, Kidzania and Sunday. Kidzania is a name of a place. It is a special name of a place. So it is a proper noun. And Sunday is a special name of a day. All the days are proper nouns. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all. Okay. So Kidzania and Sunday are proper nouns because they are special names. Now my little brother Sunny loves oranges. Now you all will easily know which is the proper noun in this. Do you know which is the proper noun? Yes. Sunny. Sunny is a name of a boy. Very simple. Sunny is a name of a boy. It is a special name. So it is a proper noun. Now see number 7. I study at Pathway School. Pathway School is a name of a school. It is a special name of a school. So it is a proper noun. Okay. Even if you say I study in Alchemy School. So Alchemy School is a proper noun. Okay. Alchemy School is a proper noun because it is a special name of a school. So Pathway School in this sentence is the proper noun. It's the last one. My family is visiting Bali this summer. Now you know what is Bali? Bali is a name of a place. So Bali is a proper noun. And summer, you know what is summer? Summer is the name of a season. So summer is also a proper noun. Okay, so all the seasons, I told you all the days, all the months, all the seasons, they all are proper nouns. So Bali is a special name of a place and summer is a special name of a season. So we have completed all the proper nouns. Okay, we have completed all the proper nouns, means we have circled. And now we will be doing the common nouns. Okay, now common nouns you have to underline. Now it is very easy. All the remaining words will be the common noun. Now see the first one. Harry Potter is a wizard. You know what is a wizard? Wizard means it is the opposite of witch. Witch, wizard. Wizard means, you know, who does all the magic and all. You must have seen Harry Potter movie. In that he was a wizard. He could do all supernatural things. He could do all magic and all. So that what you see Harry Potter movie, that Harry Potter's role is of a wizard. Okay, so wizard is not a special name. Wizard is not a special name. It is a person. So it is a common noun. The famous Taj Mahal is in Agra. In this there is no common noun, students. Okay, there is no common noun because there is only proper noun. I love my country India. Yes, very good. In this, country is a common noun because country is only a word. It is not a name. Okay, country is a place but it is not having any name. So it is a common noun. I was born in the month of June. Very good. Month. Month is a common noun. You know why? Because month, there is no name given to the month. So month is a common noun. If you give name, then it becomes proper noun. We will visit Kidzania on Sunday. There are only proper nouns. There are no common nouns. See, because there is nothing left. We will. Okay, they all are pronouns and all. And see, visit, they are verbs, action words. So there is no common noun. Now see, sixth one. My little brother loves oranges. Very good. In this, there are two common nouns, that is brother and oranges. Brother is a person, but there is no special name. So brother is a common noun and oranges is a fruit. Okay, so oranges is also a common noun. I study at Pathway School also. There is no common noun. Study is a verb. It is not a noun. Okay, it is a action word. And Pathway School is a proper noun. Now see the last one. My family is visiting Bali this summer. In this, Bali is and summer is proper noun. Now one common noun is there in this. You know which is a common noun? Yes, family. Family is a common noun. Family means it is people. It is made of a people, but there is no name given. Okay, so family is a common noun. So understood, students? Very simple exercise so that you come to know exactly what is common noun and what is proper noun. Okay, students? Now let's see the next slide. Okay, now see, this is also very interesting exercise. This same exercise is given in your worksheet also. All common nouns are given on one side and you have to write proper nouns on the other side. Okay, means you have to make proper nouns out of common nouns. It is very interesting. You can even write your own names. It is not necessary that you have to write what I am giving. Now see, the boy is common noun. Okay, boy is common noun. Now you have to make it proper noun. How will you make it proper noun? Of course, by giving a name. You will give a name to the boy, so it will become proper noun. So let's give a name to the boy. I will say Ravi. So Ravi is the proper noun. Okay, because Ravi is the name of a boy. So Ravi is the proper noun. You can write any name you want. Okay, you can give any name you want. Now state. State is a common noun. So now I have to give a proper noun of this state. So what I will write? Gujarat. There are many states. Okay, there is Maharashtra. Okay, there is Karnataka. There is Kerala. There are so many states. So you can write any state you want. So this is a proper noun, right? Now restaurant. Restaurant is a common noun. Now when you give a special name to the restaurant, it will become a proper noun. So let's give a name to the restaurant. Decent restaurant. Okay, you can give any name you want. Now see, month. Month is a common noun. Now when I give a special name to this month, it will become a proper noun. So there are so many months. There are 12 months. You can write any one. So I am writing September. Okay, students. So September is a proper noun. Planet. Now planet is a common noun, but when I give a special name to this planet, it will become a proper noun. So there are 8 planets. So you can write any of them. I will write Jupiter. So Jupiter has become a special name of a planet. It is a proper noun. Athlete. You know what is an athlete? The one who plays sports. Okay, the one who is related to sports like playing tennis or badminton or running or cricket or whatever sports. So he is called an athlete. So you can write, there are so many athletes, okay, famous athletes. So I will write the name. You can write any of your choice. I will write Milkha Singh. You know Milkha Singh? There was a movie named Milkha Singh. He was a very fast runner. Okay, he had won the Olympics also. So he is a very fast runner, Milkha Singh. So I have written Milkha Singh. You can write anyone you want. So Milkha Singh is a proper noun. Now movie, only the movie word is common because name is not given to this movie. But when I give a name to this movie, it will become a proper noun. So let's give the name to the movie Life of Pi. I hope you have seen this movie. It is about a tiger. Yes, it is about a tiger. So this is the name of a movie, Life of Pi. So now it has become proper because it is a special name. Now holiday. Holiday is a common noun. Now when I give a name to the holiday, you can give any name to the holiday. I will say Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is a holiday. So Gandhi Jayanti has become a special name. It has become a special name. Okay. So this is a proper noun. You can write any holiday you want. Means you have to write holiday, any holiday name. Like you can write Diwali, you can write Christmas, means any festivals on which holiday is there. Then you can write many other, no, Ambedkar Jayanti, any one holiday you can write. So that is become a special name, so it is proper noun. Now last one, you have to write a common noun on your own. Okay, so I will write day. Day is a common noun. Now let's make it proper noun. We will give a special name to this day. So I will give the name Saturday. So Saturday has become a proper noun. Okay. So this was a very interesting activity, right? Now this same activity is also given in your worksheet. So I made you do this same activity so that you come to know how to do that worksheet activity. Okay, students. Now let's see the next slide. Okay, now see your homework. You have to do worksheet 2.4 of the application book. Okay. So you have to do, after you see this slide, you have to do the worksheet 2.4 of the application book. So all the exercises of common noun and proper noun are given, and I have made you do in the slides the same type of exercises so that you can easily do the common nouns and proper nouns worksheet. Okay, students? Okay, students, so this was about common noun and proper noun, and I hope you are very clear with it because I have shown you so many examples, so many slides also, and in your worksheet also like that same type of exercises are there so that you can do it easily. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed watching my video, and in the next video I will be doing the third type of noun, that is a collective noun. Now only collective noun is left. So that I will be doing in my next video. Okay, then our nouns chapter will be over, noun topic will be over. So thank you for watching this video, students, and have a nice day.